In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Drive on Smart TV Easy Guide 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the app, install it to your TV, and start viewing your files without any confusion. First, make sure your Smart TV is powered on, connected to the internet, and signed in with your Google account. Using the same account you use for Google Drive will make everything seamless. From your TV's home screen, navigate to the Google Play Store. On many Android TV or Google TV devices, you'll find it on the Apps row or with an Apps button on your remote. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can install apps. Inside the Play Store, move to the search option. You can use the on-screen keyboard or the voice search on your remote if it's available. Clear and simple searches work best here, so type Google Drive. If you're using the keyboard, take your time. Suggestions may appear as you type. If voice search is enabled, say the app name clearly. When the results appear, select Google Drive. You're looking for the official app listing that shows the familiar Drive icon and the official publisher information. Open the app's details page to confirm you've got the correct one, then take a moment to scan the overview so you know what to expect. On the app page, choose the option labeled Install on More Devices. This is designed to push the installation to compatible devices linked to your Google account, including your TV. Select your TV from the list, confirm, and give it a moment. You should see the installation begin on your television automatically. If you don't see your TV right away, ensure it's powered on, online, and signed into the same Google account. Once the installation finishes, open Google Drive from your TV. You can launch it directly from the Play Store screen or find it in your Apps section. If you're asked to confirm your account, follow the on-screen prompts. From there, you can browse your folders, view documents, photos, and videos, and access the files you've stored in your drive. If the app doesn't appear in search or the Install on More Devices option isn't available, double-check your region. Update your TV's system software and verify that you're signed in correctly. For smoother navigation, keep your remote's directional buttons in mind and use voice input whenever possible to speed up searches. That's it. Turn on your TV, open the Play Store, search for Google Drive, select it, and use Install on More Devices to add it to your TV. Enjoy quick access to your files right from your couch.